Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel TL Online Creativity. In this channel, I teach people how to make money online. I teach them different skills that enables them make money online, and I show them strategies that I use in making wealth online. Today on this video, I'll be teaching you guys exactly how I make $100 and above every single day from my system. Okay, even in this lockdown, I make money every single day, and that is what I want to expose to you guys. I want to show you how I do it and show you the strategies that I use to get my customers in order to make the sales that I make every single day from my system. All right, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, endeavor to do so. Hit the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell. What that bell does is when I release a wonderful videos like what I'm about to show you guys right now, you will be the first to be notified because you get a notification that Team Legend has dropped something new. Okay, so make sure as you subscribe, you also hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I release a video. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up after this video if you see satisfactory, and let's keep winning. I want you guys to join me on this. We are hustling it together and we will make it together. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay guys, you're welcome here again. So this is the site I'm talking about. Okay, it's called crowdfireapp.com. This is the site I use in making some of my wealth online. Okay, so what this site do actually, this is a site that's manage social media for people. Okay, the site helps you to manage your social media account, kind of like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and so what they do is they help you manage your social media. They post contents for you every day. They keep helping you build your followers and all the rest. Okay, so each of them have their different pricings. As you can see under the pricings, you have annually, you have monthly pricings. Okay, so this is the free package. This is a free package, is just kind of like, you can see what they have on that free package. Just Chrome extension to share articles. That's the only thing they have on free package. But on the package of $7.48 per month, they have Chrome extension to share articles. They have custom posting schedule. They have video post support. All right, and all that on the premium package and the VIP package, you have so many other features and all the rest. Okay, so this is a wonderful site. They help people to manage their social media account. Now let's take for instance, now if I come into this site and click on this package or this package or this package, okay, and probably I came through you are the one who invited me into this site, and I bought any of these packages. Because you are the one who invited me into this site, you will get some earnings. You will get some earnings because you are the one who invited me with your referral link. Okay, so what I want to show you guys now is how to make money from this website by inviting people, and I want to show you exactly how I invite my own people, how I get my customers. Okay, so let's go straight into the business. So when you go to crowdfireapp.com, you want to go straight down to the end of the site and you click on affiliate and referral. All right, affiliate and referral, that's where you click on. Click here, affiliate and referral. Then you open an account. You can see it says refer and earn up to $420 for every customer. Invite anyone to join Crowdfire and we will give you 35% of all payments you make in the first year. Can you imagine that? All payment they make in the first year, that is for the entire year, right? This Crowdfire are going to be paying you for just one customer you brought. Just one customer you have brought. You know how that works. Now let's go right back to the pricing. Okay, if a customer comes right now and buys this package, $7.48, all right, so $7.48 times 12, right? Let me see if I can get my calculator. Okay, so let's just make some a little calculation on this. Now we say 7 points. Okay, or let us just go straight to this $74. Okay, let's say $74. Sorry, $74. All right, 74.98. All right, times 12. How much is that? This is $899. Okay, so $74 times 12 months this is the amount. Right, now you're going to be making this, and now they said here that you're going to be making 35%, right? So if we say this amount right now divided by 100 times 35% is equal to how much? This is $314 for one customer. All right, this is $314 for one customer. This is how much you'll be making per one customer for the whole year. So imagine when you refer up to 20 customers. So let's say this whole dollars right now times 20 customers who pay for the VIP package. All right, so this is how much you'll be earning in a year: $6,298. Right, for we Nigerians right now, let us see how much is $6,000 in naira. Okay, so currently I guess dollars is kind of like 300 and something naira. 365 times 6,000. Let's just make a raw estimate of 6,000. This is how much you've been making. You're making 2,190,000 naira a year, just by referring 20 people who will come to this website and register on the VIP package. Okay, so this is real money. So now let's go straight into the real business. Okay, so when you come to the like I showed you guys earlier, you go down straight and go to the affiliate and referral. Okay, so when you go there, you click on join now because you want to join as an affiliate. When you join, you will get your referral link after registering. I don't want to register now because I've registered already. Okay, but if you click on join now, you just see the information you need to fill. So once you've signed up for the affiliate program, all right, let me see, continue. Okay, there's 35. Okay, so here you see. Let me say 18. Just watch. Agree, join. Okay, so this is my dashboard right now. As you can see, I just created an account. Okay, so this is, you can see the clicks, referred, sold, in, pending, and all the rest. So when you guys come into this page, you just have to go through everything gradually. Okay, so you see how to set up every other thing. So when you click on links, right, under links, this is where you get your referral link. Okay, as you can see, the referral link. Okay, so when you get your referral link, now this is what you want to do. Let me now show you guys what you need to how I do it. Now you copy your referral link. Okay, now how to get your customers now. Okay, so when you go to your Instagram, okay, you search for social media. Social media managers. Okay, now as you can see, this person is a social media manager, this person is also, but there are a lot of social media managers. Right now, what is the idea behind the whole thing? Now we want to locate the social media managers. Social media managers are actually people who help others to manage their social medias. Okay. Now, but they probably might not know about this Crowdfire. That there's a site that can help them manage this thing even with ease without so much work. Okay. So you want to inform these social media managers that there's actually a site that can help you manage your social medias, because most of all these social medias, they manage up to 5 or 6 people's accounts, all right, and it's a kind of hectic for some of them, but they keep trying their best because they are hustling, all right. But this site will make all the work more easy for these social media managers. So some of them don't know about this site, so you want to make it known to them and let them know that, wow, see, there's a site that can actually help you handle all the social medias you have at hand and help you post things every single day in the social medias you are managing. Okay, so now what we want to do is you click open on a new tab. Open in a new tab, you can open like 10 a day. Okay, and make sure you send them messages each day. Okay, so every day open like 10 or 20 or 50, depending on, because the more people you tell about this, the more clients you get, or you understand. So when you open, let us go to one of them. Let's go to one of them. My network is a bit slow. Okay, now you see this person say he's a social media manager. All right, as you can see, he has already managed his own social media to 28k, and imagine how many people he probably might be managing their own social media for them. So we want to tell him that, look, there's a site that can help you handle your jobs even much more easier. All right, so what you just do is you go and you can comment on any of his posts, okay, or you send him a direct message. All right, you send him a direct message. When you send him a direct message, you tell him about your offer. Okay, you tell him about your offer, and once you tell him about your offer, the next thing is, if he is interested, he will click on the link to grab. So I just wanted to show you guys the exact way you get clients. So you search for social media managers. These are the main people that are really gonna patronize this product you are selling right now, because they have many accounts that they are managing, and if they can get a way to get the burden off them a bit, they will really go into it. So guys, this is what I want to show you guys, and I want you guys to implement it and use it and keep winning. I'll see you guys on my next video. In case if you have not subscribed to my channel, endeavor to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because when I release the next video, I want you to be the first to be alerted. Okay, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified on my next video. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Thank you.